Hey guys, it's Courtney with Diamond and the Ruff. We have something so fun today. This is Linus, and he is 5 months old, and it's his very first time to be groomed. Let's see if we can, this isn't my kennel, so let's see if I can figure it out. Do you want to come say hi? Hi, baby. We're gonna get a bath and blow dry and our toenails done today. Yep, we're gonna go in here. Go. Pretty. It's not so bad. No, it's not so bad. Ready, babe? I know it's the worst part, I promise. Worst part. We're using our Taro for cat shampoo.
Going my way, cause that would be boring. Spend my last cent on cheese and champagne. What a wonderful morning. Never mind, she declined to the first date.
Made a jump for it. Didn't make it. Sorry, buddy.
Give me time to reflect a bit, cause I'm just having a good day. Having a good day. Having a real good morning. I'm just having a good day.
You want to stand up that way and get your belly? It's so good.
Having a real good morning. Real good morning. Real good morning. I guess that things can only get better from here. But sometimes I wonder, I might have
Just add a little water, just makes the soap go a little further. Makes rinsing easier. I know. We're not going to make a leak for it. Worst. It's the worst when they touch your back feet, huh? Let's do this other foot. Good boy. What's on your fur? You got blue. Blue sparkles. Just a little more sparkle. One side of the tail. One side of the face. Boy. Clean. Okay, here comes the water again. I know. You don't like the water. Don't like it. I'm sorry. You gotta do it. I just so soft. There's like the face. There's one more time. At the bottom. Good boy. Cat hair holds shampoo a lot more than dog hair does. You really have to rinse to get these guys. Alright, it's just bath time. Now you can try and grab that. It's not going to work very well. Almost all rinsed, baby. Yeah, just gotta get the back parts. Alright, dry them off a little bit. I think. Being so good. Yeah. Contrary to popular belief, most cats are very good for baths. Once the water goes on, they kind of just stop and let you do what you want. I'm gonna squeeze this out. I'm gonna do you one more time with this, and then we'll start with the blow dryer. I made a big cat no-no already. You always want to have all of your stuff prepared before you put the cat in the bathtub, and I left my conditioner up front, so we're gonna have to go grab that. Hi, baby. I know. I will hold you. I will hold you with your sharp little claws. Come here. Alright. This is Spina leave-in conditioner. It's good for cats. I like to use this. It smells like lavender. We're going to do kind of a lot of conditioner because he's very dry. What do you say we get rid of these toes before we start the blow dryer? What do you think? Alright, super sharp kitty toenails here. I hope I've got this centered. Right now, he just wants me to hold him. One more foot. We'll do the back ones. Very long toes for how young he is. Very pointy. Trying to get this on video. Hold on, baby. Okay, blow dryer time. Okay, you ready, baby? Here goes the scary.
I got a confession. Been losing all momentum. Just because it's easy, but that don't make it better. I wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire, let me get hurt. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Oh, I miss the summers with you and never swipe left to right. I snuck in your window, no friend request, no, just spent the night. I had to walk right up to your locker and risk you saying, boy, just don't bother. I know this all just makes me sound ancient, but sons and daughters, that shit was amazing. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Go get your DeLorean. Yo, what you got in that bag? Candy, cigarettes, and a Playboy mag. Man, you used to have to work for that. Wait for me, gotta dial up. Can't call my landline cause it's all tied up. Just bike over then. Oh, oh, oh. Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama.
We're all dry, and Mom just asked for his bottom to be trimmed, and we're gonna run a comb through him, and then we'll be all done. Pretty kitty. picking him up to do his belly. I cannot get that part on camera because I'm holding him to my chest. The closer you can keep cats to you, the easier they are to work with, for the most part. Yeah. Okay, I just gotta get your booty. Booty, booty, booty. Well done. And then what I like to let my cats do when they're done is just go on back to their little homes, which most of them will do on their own. What do you think, buddy? He might be curious and wants to check it out. Linus, kitty. Nope, you're not gonna look at camera. I'm curious, kitty. Most of them go right back in their boxes. He wants to check everything out. And that's it, guys. That's grooming cats.